Hello, student, and who are interested in learn agentic AI. So, in this session, we will see what is agent, basic agent, and which component is involved in agent. So, what is a LLM-based agent? LLM-based agent is AI agent where decision-making brain is large language model, means LLM instead of fixed rules. We can create an agent without LLM also. So for without LLM, we use fixed rules for decision making, and with LLM, we are keep our brain means LLM for making a decision. So how we can define our definition will be become like LLM based agent use AI model to understand, think, and respond like human. So LLM should be understand what user input should be there. It think and then give response like a human. So which component is involved in LLM agent? The environment should be there, means where agent has to be work. It may be like chatbot, window, application, terminal. Then sensor means input. It may be text based, it may be some values. Then LLM memory, it is optional. Sometimes memory is not required. But whenever we have to store the history about chart, we should have to be introduce memory. Then output. So that are five component I have mentioned. Out of four is compulsory and one is optional. And the memory is optional. I have mentioned here. If we need take a data or push a data into database or keep histological communication. So that type memory should be there. So four components should be needed: environment, sensor, LLM, and accumulator means output should be there. So what the architecture? So architecture we can see here. So basic architecture about LLM: user input, LLM thinking and understanding, decision making, and output. That is the basic architecture. Very basic agent I'm giving to demonstrate you. Then a real life example. So explain AI agent, give explanation. Summarize the text, it will give summarization about text. Ask opinion, give reasoning. That is the we can say the LLM agent will be do there. Then comparison about simple agent and LLM agent that should be needed. Understanding about basic. Simple agent means agent without LLM, rule base. How the decision will be there? The decision with help of rules, conditions, and in LLM based agent, decision will be taken by LLM. No fixed condition is there. LLM will be understanding and thinking and give response. Learning, the simple agent, no learning is there. LLM learning is possible. Language understand in a simple agent, no. In LLM agent, language can be understand with here. Flexible, low, here flexible is high. Example, calculator. The calculator is also one agent where we have giving the values with fixed values, it give the correct answer, whatever the calculation about that values. And in intelligent example, we give the chat GPT. I mention here chat GPT because it is very known to all of you. Cost is very low, cost is high, intelligence is none in a agentic simple agent or rule based agent, and in an intelligent or LLM-based agent intelligence system. So one line comparison: simple agent react using rules, while intelligent agent think using AI model. So AI agent, it take input, response, and produce output, and simple agent use rule, no memory, and give reply. So we will take one example. Suppose this is a one example of LLM, agent, which is a rule base. If uh, we define one function simple agent, input is a text, and if hello in text in lower, return hello student. If else AI, it return AI means artificial intelligence, return I don't know. So we will try run this code for better understanding. So what is in AI in calling? So that's why it is called as AI means artificial intelligence. Suppose we change here input, we can give what is BI. So answer would be I don't know. I don't know. Because this is a rule base, it is not understanding what exactly word and all this thing. Now we can give another one example, which is agent with. Same file name. I delete previous code. It use local LLM. That's why it takes some time. AI or artificial intelligence refer to simulate or human because this is your long answer. You can comparison about answer of previous one and this one. It give long answer. Now we will test instant of AI. We go for BI. So it give the answer also same because we here we use LLM. We think about BI and give the answer about the question. BI stand for business intelligence, which refer to the process of collection, analyze, presenting data to business make an informed decision. So perfect. So this is a basic comparison about rule-based LLM and LLM. So I will explain the code here now. Import Ollama. I use Ollama here for local system. I can mention. local LLM I used here. Then design one function, simple LLM agent. Here response is Ollama.chat. Model, this is Hermon latest model because this model has to be installed locally in my system. In a system message, I have given role system, content, you are a simple teaching agent. Answer is in one shot. Role, user, content, return message and content. And here I have to be call this agent. So this is a basic comparison and how to agent will be created. So baseline about this session is simple agent follow instruction and intelligent agent understand the instruction. So please be continue with us, share this video, like and subscribe the channel, and we will discuss topics which has to be related to the AI. Thank you. Thank you everyone.